fuck.
Damn, Sabrina.
I'm hungover and feel like I'm dying, but it's gonna be fine.
Champagne supernova, I want the walls of the city. And do we all live forever? Take a shot, take a big one. I get lost in the head rush. Don't look back in the morning. Another job, another foreman. My fears are frozen in golden brandy. Into the mirror I stare. My thoughts are clouded in golden candy. Into the moment I feel. So then I go and run away.
So we just climbed La Chorrera waterfall, and it's one of the highest ones in Colombia. And we just had an amazing lunch. So one of the dogs followed us all the way up the hike, and he is so cute, and somebody abandoned him here about 4 months ago. So we're actually gonna go take some photos of him and bring him back down with us and list him for adoption on my guide's friend's Instagram. Who would abandon this little baby? Oh, it's so precious. Hi. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. He's beautiful. I know, so cute.
Yes, then I go and run away, away. Yes, then I go and run away. Yes, then I go and run away, away.
I'm back at my hotel from the hike. I am exhausted, but we did bring that dog back. My guide Camila took him to her house, and her friend has a lot of Instagram followers, so she will post it, and hopefully he will get adopted and have a nice home because he was so cute. I named him Panchito. And but now I will take a shower and have a nap, and then I'm gonna go to the Colombian restaurant El Cielo, and hopefully I meet my friend there, but he's working pretty late, so he might not make it. But either way, I'm going because I've heard the food is delicious. And then maybe I will go out for some drinks tonight, but my flight is at 11:30 tomorrow, so we'll see.
Levántate la alma por el cielo. Levántate la alma por el cielo.
Okay, so I had an amazing experience at El Cielo. I mean, I wanted to record more video. I love recording video and taking photos, but sometimes like you really do just need to like be in the moment. And like this restaurant experience is like the perfect example. Like you want to take videos and pictures because everything that's happening is so cool, but you also are trying to pay attention and you want to know like you want to see what's happening and like really experience it. So I recorded some parts of it, but honestly, I'm gonna write a little blog post about, you know, like the experience, so you can stay tuned for that. But it was great. I mean, the staff was so friendly and the whole experience was just crazy. Like they washed my hands at the table in chocolate. Fucking chocolate. Like they washed my hands with chocolate. Literally didn't even know that I needed my hands washed with chocolate until like they were being washed with chocolate. I was like, necesito. Now it's like 11 o'clock and my flight is tomorrow at 11 in the morning, and like I haven't packed up anything. So tomorrow I'll wake up early and pack up my stuff and then head to the airport, and then I'm flying to Cartagena, so it's only like an hour flight. Honestly, I didn't really know that much about Bogota, like, and what there was to do or see when I booked this trip. Like I should have done more research because there's like so much to do. There's also a lot of amazing food and restaurants, so if you're a foodie like me, this is a great place to visit. Again, like I wish I had more time to eat and be in the city. So honestly, like I have a list of places that I would definitely return to if given the chance, and I'm going to add Bogota to this because there are many things here that I missed out on, and I definitely need to come back and see everything. Thank you guys so much for following through my travels and watching these videos. You know, for me, like, you guys really mean a lot. Like, your support means so much to me. My followers have been with me for a long time, most of you, because I really love being able to share my experiences with you guys on like a personal level. I still can't get over like my eyelashes. Like, they look amazing. I honestly feel bad because like they look better than they do when I get them done in New York. Like, I feel bad saying that because I really like the women that do my eyelashes, but bitch, do you see this shit? I don't know how I'm gonna go back to my same lash people in New York and be like, oh yeah, this is fine, because they need to look like this.